Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how to install and activate a theme in WordPress. First we have to log into our WordPress account and we will be redirected to WordPress dashboard. In WordPress dashboard sidebar, we can see an option called appearance. After taking mouse pointer on it, we can see a sub option has appeared called theme. We have to click on it. After coming to this page, we can see a new button has appeared called add new. We have to click on it. After coming to this page, we can see a lot of suggestions of installing themes has appeared. We can choose anyone from it. For our uh, video, we will choose Ashe. Here, our preferable theme has appeared. We will click on install. As it depends on our internet connection, it will take some time to get installed. After getting successfully installed, a new option will appear called activate and we'll have to click on it. After clicking on it, we will be redirected to the page themes and we can see our preferred themes has already activated. So that's all for today. Thank you.